In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush free trial in just 5 minutes. If you've decided that Semrush isn't for you, or you're simply looking to avoid being charged after your trial period, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can unsubscribe without a hitch. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you commonly use. This initial step is about getting you online and ready to navigate to Semrush's website. With your browser open, your next task is to head to Google or your chosen search engine and type in Semrush. You'll find Semrush's official site at the top of your search results. Once on the Semrush website, it's time to log into your account. If you're already a user, make sure you enter the correct username and password to access your profile. For those who signed up but can't quite remember their credentials, there's always the Forgot Password feature to help recover your account details. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by the Semrush dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll spot your profile icon. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to locate and select Subscription Info. This is where you will find all the details about your current subscription plan, including the specifics regarding your trial. Within the subscription info page, scrutinize the details to find the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Clicking on this option will initiate the cancellation process. It's crucial to follow any prompts or confirmations to complete your request. Now, in scenarios where you're operating a free account, you might notice that there isn't a visible cancel option. Don't worry if this is the case. Simply locate and click on Contact Us instead. This will allow you to reach out to the Semrush support team directly. Provide them with your account information and request for your trial to be canceled. They're usually quite responsive and can help you with this process. And there you have it. A straightforward path to ensure you're not tethered to a service that may not suit your current needs. If at any point you hit a snag, remember, you can always seek help from their support team who are there to assist you. This is a streamlined way to manage your subscriptions and keep on top of any potential charges. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you think might need a hand in managing their Semrush account. Until next time, take care and keep managing those subscriptions wisely.